Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have tag locations option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn them off and turn them on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a photo. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we can get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture. Now let's move to the right corner and tap here. And here we can check our location information. As you can see, we can check it also in the details, so we have two ways to do it. When we tap on this one, we can decide if we want to show it on map, edit location or remove location. And when we tap on the details, we can check the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and hit the thumbs up.